Now we will do the sixth kind of adjective, that is the last kind. That's called interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives ask questions. It's very simple. So we do the sixth kind of adjective, that is an interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives, that's the sixth type. And what do they do? What do this interrogative adjective? An interrogative adjective ask question, and interrogative adjectives ask question. Ask questions. And interrogative adjectives, they ask questions. Very simple and very easy to identify interrogative adjectives. Examples: what color is his shirt? What color? What color is his shirt? Question. Which bus goes to Calcutta? Which bus goes to, which bus goes to Chennai? Third. What size do you wear? What size? What size do you wear? Whose house is that? Whose house is that? Which book are you reading? Which book are you reading? What day is it today? What day? What day is it today? When will you go home? When will you go home? Now, we said interrogative adjectives ask questions. Very simple. So we have what? What color is his shirt? What? So the word what. Which bus goes to Chennai? Which? What? Which? What size do you wear? What? Whose house is that? Whose? Which book are you reading? Which? What day is it today? When will you go home? When. Okay, now what, which, whose, when, all these words tell us, they all ask questions. So, identifying interrogative adjective is very easy. Now, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describe a noun or a pronoun. And we said that we have 6 different kinds of adjective, and this is the 6th and the last type kind of adjective, that is interrogative adjective, and it's very easy to identify because an interrogative adjective asks questions. And the words that ask questions are what, which, whose, when. What color is a shirt? Which bus goes to Chennai? What size do you wear? Whose house is that? Which book are you reading? What day is it today? When will you go home? Identifying interrogative adjective is very simple because it asks questions.